everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Before I start my presentation today, I want to introduce myself. Okay, let's start. My name is Tessa Juana Rizal. You can just call me Tessa. And I 6 semester in managerial accounting at Batam State Polytechnic. Okay, in this video, I want to tell you about an evolving project I explore in making this project-based learning. First, I start with how I find my collaboration group. Okay, I tried to find a group that I could work with. I looked for the name of the group that wanted to work with me through the list given by the lecturer. Then, I looked for the Instagram for the group study program. After that, I sent a message and I invited him to ask to work together to make PBL via Instagram. We can see designs and work of robotic study program student, and in order to facilitate the process of communication with them via social media accounts. And long story short, I finally communicated with one of the students who made plans for the Indonesian Whale Social Robot Contest or KRSBA. This group responded to me and welcomed me very well. After I tried to explain about the PBL that I was going to make Batam State Polytechnic. Finally, he was willing to be a partner in completing this PBL. Okay, next, I will explain about how I get information about the project. And as I said before that I contacted him via like chat on Instagram, but to make our communication easier, we decided to move to WhatsApp. Then I made a schedule for a meeting with this group in the robotics room of the Batam State Polytechnic. I used the interview method to get all this information that I manage. And we try find the right time for the interview of the Batam State Polytechnic. I used the interview method to get all this information that I manage. And we try find the right time for the interview because each of us his own business that cannot keep us going at any time. Okay, the following is some information about the result that I discussed getting. This project is made by a robotic engineering student with the title Indonesia Whale Social Robot Contest or KRSBA. This project has been running for 3 years, from 2019 to 2021, and has participated in a competition with the new team named Barelang 6. Some of the information obtained from the written project report include the budgeting costs in making this robot. And the budget to make this project is so large that it required investor to issue a budget. But even though the budget is large, this project is still running smoothly and have participation in the rest. As for the components that are in the system, such as orange sensor with functions to detect whether the ball is right at dribble or not. Then there is a compass HMC 588-3i. This sensor which utilizes that magnetic field which is used to adjust the direction of the robot facing the opponent goal. Then there is a Logitech C920 camera that functions as input on the vision robot. Okay, next, Then there is the Arduino Mega 2560 process, which is a microcontroller development board based on Arduino using the Atmega 2560 chip. Then there is the Asus laptop, which is useful as the main processor for the new robot Barelang 63. And there is output motor uses as an actuator to drive the robot in making movement to play ball. And then there is a solenoid kicker that functions as an inductor or coil, which can store electric current in a magnetic field. Okay, next, so the conclusion of this report is that my partner group wants to make something unique by making a robot that can play the ball so that it can bring the good name of the campus and complete internationality. Everyone, thank you to who has seen my short presentation and brief information about the project that I collaborated with robotic engineer.